Good morning. At this time, we're reporting gas shortages in many states. Gas buddies Patrick DeHaan said that North Carolina, Florida, Virginia, and Georgia, among other states, have issued emergency declarations with more than 1,700 gas stations along the East Coast reportedly out of fuel. The FBI told us that Georgia-based Colonial Pipeline announced Tuesday that it expects to have much of its service restored by the weekend after the nation's largest fuel pipeline had to shut down on May 7th, following a cyber attack attributed to ransomware called DarkSide. They said that the attack is believed to have been carried out by a Russian cybercrime gang using the same name. Just days after the attack, drivers have reported waits of more than an hour to refuel in parts of some states, while gas prices are at their highest level nationwide in 7 years. Mayra Reyes for NBC News.